Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create letter portrait art in Adobe Photoshop. So watching full video carefully. First open your Adobe Photoshop software. Now click create new. Then now create new document. You can type your favorite name. Now size as you wish. This resolution 72. Color mode, choose RGB color. Background color white. Now click create. Now click create new layer. Then select type tool. Select your favorite font, size as you wish. Now type your favorite word. Now we need to transform this word, so click Ctrl plus T. Then transform as you wish. Then click. Now open your favorite picture as you wish. Now click mouse right button, then flip horizontal. Now transform as you wish. Decrease opacity 50 plus. Now transform this word. Now click. Now again opacity 100%. Then we need to duplicate layer this layer. So click right button, then duplicate layer. If you want, you can type your name or anything. Then OK. Now turn off this layer, then choose second layer. Now click mouse right button, then create clipping marks. Now turn on first layer, then select this face. So select quick selection tool. Now select this face. You can zoom it, then carefully select it. Alright. Then now click marks tool. Then select brush tool. Select area. Choose hard round. If you want size increase or decrease as you wish. Hardness 100%. Opacity 100%. Follow 100%. Make sure foreground color is black. Then drag brush tool. You can zoom it. So you can see this. Also you can do it carefully. If you like this tutorial, then do like and drop your opinion in comment box. And make sure subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Alright friends, I am finishing today's tutorial here. We will see again in the new tutorial. Take care everyone.